guys,
I smell.
Okay, we're on a video, Lucy. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna be doing a video of Minecraft.
How do you know that we're doing Minecraft? I can't believe that you. Do you even know how to show a video of doing Minecraft?
Oh yeah, it's recording right now. Look at that. What is that?
I have no idea. Oh yeah. Right.
Play.
Please tell us if you think this video is completely dumb.
How will it be dumb? Tell me one reason that it's gonna be dumb.
That it could possibly be dumb. The fact that I'm interrupting you every time you try to say anything important.
Okay.
Oh great, it's beach balling.
It's beach balling.
Feel free to take a break and watch different videos like the turtle dancing in the shower. Weird thing. Whatever. Well,
single player. Okay.
Lego, the city, new world.
New world.
New world. Hold on a second. Is this creative?
Yeah.
Good.
It's creative, people.
After this, we may do a force burp song in force burps.
Oh, there's this burp called Jerome. I mean, not burp, a book called Jerome.
Oh, I have it.
Oh, okay. So, let's go in the water. Oh, wait, no, I'm paddling. Okay, no, I can't. I can't go in the water. Ah! Raise your hand if you like Roblox.
I don't play Roblox.
Well, I do. I will play Roblox right after I do crazy tricks on this boat. Okay, Roblox time.
You haven't done any crazy
things.
I'm very sorry. He's being very strange and he's not even done any crazy stunts.
It's beach balling. Feel free to. Okay.
Please don't listen to him. I think he's gone cuckoo. I wonder why he's screaming at me.
Okay, look. Dragon Rage. Who wants to play that? That's so blurry.
Whatever.
Is that Hellbreak? Yeah, I think it's Hellbreak.
It says Jailbreak.
Yeah, but I want to call it Hellbreak. So let's play some Hellbreak.
Fine, it's called Jailbreak. Just so
I want
you
to
know.
call it Hellbreak, just so you know. Okay, there's some new updates.
He really is cuckoo. He doesn't even read correctly.
Well, I read correctly, but I want to say it Hellbreak.
Well, he's strange.
Because jail is hell.
And also, that tinkling in the background is his dog.
Yeah. Okay. Airdrops. Oh, they have airplanes in this. Okay.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna be police, so I have a key card to like everything. So okay, where should we go? Where should we go? I need a better skin.
Hold on. Can you go backwards? Go backwards and then hit your head on something.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Wait. You can go backwards, but it looks like that. You could press the backwards key. Donut shop. Okay, this guy's at the donut shop, so I gotta, oh wait, it costs 40,000 cash. I gotta get a car that doesn't cost any money, and they're all taken.
Money?
Oh wait, hold on.
Any real money?
No, they don't cost real money. They cost Robux and jail and Hellbreak. What? I like calling it Hellbreak.
It's actually Jailbreak.
Whee!
Remember to think that he's lying.
Hold on. Ooh, okay. Don't want to crash into. Oh! What is wrong with me today?
I don't know. Maybe I had a hunch, and I just learned it when you figured it out that you were cuckoo when you started calling Jailbreak Hellbreak.
I want to call it outbreak, okay?
That nearly confirmed it. And then, as soon as I saw him bumping into walls and going around illegally as a police whatever person, I don't remember.
Police officer.
Yeah, as a police officer.
Police officer, madam. Ow! You bit me.
I'm not even biting you.
We are.
You really are.
Whoa! Oh.
You just hit a tree.
I'm a very illegal policeman.
See, I can prove that you're crazy.
Aw, why did I say that to myself? I'm so mean to myself. I'm a bully to myself.
Okay, now it's time to do the actual Minecraft part because you only turned around in a boat about 5 times in this one.
I don't care. I'm gonna stop people from breaking into the gem store, whatever you call it, jewelry store.
It's called a jewelry shop.
Okay. So this is where they're planning to go. There's an X right here. So you just gotta stand at that X and wait. And okay, yeah.
Why are you grinning?
Is anyone like coming or anything? Because I'm just.
Why are you talking to yourself? This is going to be on YouTube, you know.
Ooh.
What's that?
A gun.
What
And this is a
in the world?
taser.
This is I thought this was a children's video or video that younger kids could watch. I did not know this would be violent.
Pistol. Okay.
Oh, don't I wish that you could possibly be slightly civilized?
Civilization.
Or you could just be sedated after you taught me how to do Roblox.
Civilization. Civilization.
You are really going crazy. I never knew that people could be so crazy.
When is the door gonna open already? I've been waiting here for 15,000 hours. Actually, 1 hour.
No, you haven't. You've only been waiting for 15 minutes at least. I think you're being over dramatic right now. Why don't you go get your brain recentered so that you can think better?
Okay, there's a guy about to kill me right here. Please don't kill me.
Why don't you shoot him? It says, what did you do that for?
I just fell over. I wish I was a jail guy. Okay, hold on. First, let's look up the security cameras. How are you even supposed to do this? Okay, I'm gonna look. This is boring. I'm gonna get a bigger gun. Oh, the jewelry store's open. I missed the whole thing. Because I got shot by a prisoner who was in his clothes and not a jumpsuit. How's that possible? Oh yeah, the prisoner hideout. They have clothes for you. Hey, why are you getting away from me? I want to show you and arrest you and stuff. I want to do all the cool stuff while you just go and do your business in jail. Like, brah. What's wrong with you, brah? I'm gonna rent the helicopter, brah. Get down! Get down! Oh, I got the key card. I got a key card.
What in the name of the world? Do you think that this video will even be watchable now that you're shooting people?
Nah, I think so. I really think so.
This is boring. Can we do Minecraft now?
I just gotta escape jail, then we'll do Minecraft, sweetie.
Tonight.
Oh.
Don't miss me.
Ah!
Otherwise, you will be subjected to the attack of
Let's do some ragdoll moments.
Of my nails.
Oh, that really hurt. Now let's do crazy stuff on the floor.
What in the world are you doing?
Now let's kick a soccer ball in somebody's face. Yay! Kids, this is what you're supposed to do. Wait, I got a key card. So I can do anything I want. I can do, oh, I'm good. I really don't want breakfast, but yeah, I'm good. So yeah, you can have breakfast, but I'm good. I'm busy.
You're a police. Why don't you escape? Or are you a criminal?
Yeah, I'm a criminal. See that gem suit right there? I'm a criminal. Oh, I got the key card. That's nice.
Didn't you know that you have a key card?
Oh yeah, true. That's it. Please don't snipe me from anywhere or anything up here. I'm just gonna stay here so no one sees me or snipes me or anything. I'm just gonna stay
Why
here.
are you talking about sniping?
Because that's what Roblox is.
People from 3 years to like 90 something are going to be watching this if they have any sense of gaming interest. Or if they just like browsing on YouTube for no good reason at all. What if they are 3 years old? That's going to subject them to liking gun violence.
Oh, I would like them to do that. I would love them to.
Would you?
Oh yeah, they're gonna.
Would you?
Ow! Stop pinching me.
I'm going to suggest.
Is pinching like your newest game? Oh, look, I escaped. Now I just gotta get in that car and go vroom vroom, and I'm off to the world. I'm off and off to the world.
To the world.
Are you British but not British?
Now I'm hold on a second. Are they watching this happen or are they watching us game?
They're watching this happen.
Oh.
So yeah.
Please.
Little kids are gonna start wanting Nerf guns. First I'm gonna go buy a gun.
Well, Nerf guns are nice. I like Nerf guns. They're okay.
Oh, is that a bad guy? Well then, I gotta get out of here because he's a police. He might hurt me, like shoot me or something. So, yep.
Are you serious?
That's donuts, not guns.
Donuts?
Okay. Hey! Why did I just do that? Where did my car? Oh my! What happened there? What happened there? That is not the shooting range. That is donuts. That is the donut store. Here we go. The gun store. Okay. Let's just park here and get our gun, and we're off.
And wouldn't you like me to slap you?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh,
I'm glad you got your presents.
Okay, let's. Ooh, that's a cool one. How much is it? Okay, yes, I would buy that for no. Okay, I don't have enough money. Well, I guess. Hey, where are the guns though? Like, seriously, dude. Where are the guns? I don't get any guns. That's just bogus.
The guns are right there, hanging from the pegs.
Ooh, it says E-grab. Ooh, I got a gun. Nice, okay. Let's go around here and get Jacker. This is a nice fun game. You and me playing Roblox. This is a nice one. Me, you, and you. Oh, That was a cool trick shot, not.